get what you want, but not what you need. I know I didn't start that song in the beginning. But anyway, I'm going to teach this song to you today. It's a pretty nice song. C, E minor, A minor, G. Really nice progression. You can go download the PDF for this lesson. It's got all the chords and the lyrics and everything, and the picking pattern that I used there in the beginning and the strumming. Now this is an easy way to play it. It's not like the exact way Chris Martin plays it. The way he plays it is a little bit tough. He plays it in E flat, going on. Plays it like that, but we're gonna learn it with the cap on second fret. So really nice way to play the song. And let's jump straight into it. I'm gonna give you a close-up of the chords, and then we're going to go right ahead. So that's C. We use this C. Make sure to mute the top string. And this E minor. And A minor, 7. You could use normal A minor as well. And then the G chord is going to be like this. And the reason I use this shape is it sounds really good and it's really easy. Third finger there, pinky at the bottom, mute the 5th string. Okay, pretty important to mute the 5th string there, otherwise you're gonna get smashed. No. Anyway, F, you can use this F or this one, which is the one I've got in the picture, or the one with the thumb at the top, which is not essential to put that bass note in there, but it sounds really good. And C/E, you're going to play a C with the E string open. And then G sus4, that's G, and if you add that finger there, it's a G sus4. Okay, so that's a mouthful. Once you have those chords down, then we can go to the verse part. Now, or let's just do the picking pattern first. So this picking pattern, you start with the root note on the A string, and you go. Let's go to the E minor and do the same thing. This time the root note is at the top. And then A minor, root note on the 5th string because it's the A string. G, root note at the top. You don't really have to press this pinky here, but it's good practice. Anyway, so the strumming pattern, the basic strumming pattern, you can improvise around with it, is down, 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 up, down, down. Once you have that down, you can carry on with embellishing it with your own style of playing. But that's the basic feel of the whole thing. Now the progression for the verse is 1 bar on C and E minor. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's pretty simple. And then the chorus is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, get the idea. That's basically the chorus. And in the bridge, we've got this big section here, 1 bar per chord. Could be a cool version of the song. Okay, so you'll find it with the PDF section. You just play along with the chords now. Do your best, but you don't succeed. Oh, sorry, I couldn't show you all the chords. Okay, let's just see. There we go. When you try your best, but you don't succeed. Da, 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 ba, 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 ba. Let's get stuck in reverse. Then we go to the chorus. We're going to start with F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, it's just the same as what I told you here in the beginning. So this is gold right here. If you want more lessons with this format, like with this thing with the chords at the beginning, the sections, and the little picking pattern, go to my website joobamusic.com, click on free lessons, and there's a bunch more of these lessons. Have a nice day. Cheers.